This 2024 Holiday Rambler Armada 44B is a Class A RV. It is located in Salisbury, North Carolina, 28146 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Holiday Rambler is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, U-shaped dinette. This 2024 Holiday Rambler Armada 44B is built on a Freightliner XCM chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.